Customs Service is integral in the sustenance of the nation's economy. Hence, maximum revenue generation is paramount in the heart of the Controller General of Customs, Colonel Hamid Ibrahim Ali, retired. The enforcement of government policies in the fight against smuggling of prohibited and restricted items has helped in stemming the menace of insecurity, improving health conditions, and saving our local industry. Thus, the current administration of Colonel Hamid Ibrahim Ali, retired, has zero tolerance for all acts of corrupt practices, and the Oyo-Osun Area Command is committed to enforcing same. The area command under my management has further enhanced its anti-smuggling strategies by taking the battle to the doorsteps of the smugglers rather than waiting for them to come out in an operation codenamed Operation Fish Out. While invoking Section 147 and 151 of Customs and Excise Management Act, SEMA, CAB C45, Law of Federal Republic of Nigeria, 2004, with the power to cite premises for uncustomed goods and power to give rewards to informants who give genuine intelligence to help improve the capabilities of the command on anti-smuggling duties. We shall further sharpen our intelligence and enforcement capabilities to fight smuggling and enforce compliance with reference to extant laws guiding our procedures and rules of engagement. We shall deploy all our strength and available logistics to ensure success in the battle against those who would like to dare the capability of officers of Oyo-Osun Area Command. Oyo and Osun State will be made unbearable for economic saboteurs. Section 158 and 167 of the Customs and Excise Management Act CAP C45, Law of Federation of Nigeria, 2004, allows officers of Nigeria Customs Service to patrol freely across the nation and also makes provision for detention, seizures, and condemnation of goods that fail to conform with the rules guiding importation, exportation, or local production of such goods, respectively. For those of you who would rather be on the side of the smugglers, revealing our movement and action to them, thereby making our job difficult, we will track, apprehend, and prosecute you in accordance with Section 77 of the SEMA for signaling to smugglers. While saluting our gallant and uncompromising officers for their resilience in the face of many challenges, let me sound a strong note of warning to anyone wanting to test our resolve by daring to smuggle under our watch. Be assured that long arms of the law will certainly catch up with you. Revenue. Mythically, January is a slow month, but with expertise, meticulousness, and sense of observation of the excise officers, the command was able to collect 4,895,772,769.90 for the month of January 2021. Anti-smuggling. Between 19 November to 2020 and 31st January 2021, the command has made a series of detentions and seizures amounting to total paid value, which is DPV, of 393,420,494 naira only. Within the period under review, the command made seizures of 220 by 25 liters each kegs of premium motor spirit, otherwise known as petrol. Upon approval from the headquarters, will be auctioned and proceeds will be remitted accordingly and accounted for. The command, through its eagle eyes, have also been able to sniff 20 kilograms of cannabis sativa packed in a 20 kg bag with duty paid value of 4,526,063 naira. This will be subsequently handed over to the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency for further action. Other seizures include 3,052 bags of foreign parboiled rice with duty paid value of 124,400,000 477,488 naira. 8 by 25 litre each of vegetable oil with duty paid value of 117,251 naira. 60 bays of second-hand clothing, Okrika, with DPV as a duty paid value of 15,030,143 naira. 246 pieces of used tires with duty paid value of 2,698,866 naira. 8 units of Camry 2020 models with duty paid value of 211,541,320 naira. 1 used Toyota Highlander 2019 model with duty paid value of 33,710,363 naira. 10 units of motorcycles used as means of conveyance for smuggling of rice with duty paid value 1,219,000 naira only. Within this period, 1 used Mercedes-Benz ML350 2014 model has been apprehended and placed under detention pending provision of customs documents. There were 2 suspects arrested during this period. However, they have been granted bail pending determination of their cases. This achievement recorded today was made possible by the experience, resilience, and vigilance of officers of this area command. They have given their best and shown that their enlistment into the Nigeria Customs Service was well deserved. I would like to acknowledge the assistance and contributions of the Customs Intelligence Unit, otherwise known as CIU, Federal Operation Unit, Strike Force, Custom Police, and Joint Border Patrol Team to this achievement today. The efforts of sister agencies such as the police, DSS, Nigerian Army, Oyo State Operation Burst, Amoteco have not gone unnoticed. Ending this address without acknowledging the cooperation of the traditional rulers, community leaders, stakeholders, and the good people of Oyo and Osun states is in identifying and providing enabling environment for the officers to function properly will be undermining the critical position they hold in helping us achieve our goals. We really appreciate your contribution to our success.